Okay guys, today's video is going to be a bit graphic, so if you are squeamish, you don't like to hear people talking about bodily fluids or blood, this video is not for you. Go ahead and log off. If you're a kid and you're younger than about 14, you need to log off unless your parents give you permission and they can log in through their YouTube account. Okay, you guys, so I am prone to having bloody nose from sinus infection, and I didn't really think about this until after I was getting ready to clean this, because sometimes I just wake up, you know, with a bloody nose. So I'm going to show you how I get rid of blood. Okay, so wherever the stain is, I usually use either Folex or Kids and Pets. I buy the Folex at Home Depot. The Kids and Pets I buy at Walmart in the cleaning supply department. And I wet this really, really well. If you don't have this and the stain is kind of fresh, you can use water or spray and wash. And you just want to take your finger and just kind of agitate it in just a very little bit, just a very little bit. And then what you see this powder substance is, this is baking soda. That's all it is baking soda. And so I'm going to let this sit, and as you can see, the baking soda has already started to absorb the spots, right? Already absorbing those spots. And you'll know that it's absorbing because the baking powder will kind of turn in a pinkish or an orange type of color. That means the baking soda is doing its magic and working that up. So I'll come back and show you guys exactly what it looks like when I'm done. Okay, so I let this sit for a little while on where the little spots were. You can see it's a little bit lighter in color, so it should be finished absorbing. I've been busy doing other stuff, so I can't even tell you how long I've waited, but I usually wait, you know, 10, 20 minutes or whatever. Okay guys, so I just finished washing the cover for my bed, and the pins that I put around the stain are still in here so that you can see that the stain is virtually gone. Now normally I would not have this little bit of residue here. What happened is my washing machine broke, and I ended up having to order another washer, and it took a few days for it to come in. I guess people are working in slow motion. And so I didn't get to wash this out right away. But as you can see, the baking soda really did absorb a lot of the stain that was here. And before I put it in the washer, I just went ahead and hit it with some more Folex and some more, or if you don't have Folex, you can use Kids and Pets from Walmart. It's about $5 a bottle. Sprinkle that baking soda on there and clean that up. So I hope this video has helped you. If it has, please like and comment below. Thank you for watching.